Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we will uninstall this old ceramicspeed version of 9200 Dura-ace and we will install the brand new one ceramicspeed oversized pulley wheel. Let's start by uninstalling this old ceramicspeed and we will install the new one. So this is the old ceramicspeed cage that I have. It's running very smooth. I will clean it a bit. It's already clean, but I will clean it a bit more. This will go for sale. I will put it for sale. It will be about 50% from the original price. And if you want an offer for the subscribers, I will put a bit more discount only for the subscribers. I will lube it a bit more to be ready for ship. So this is the new one. Very nice, good looking. We have this dust seal that we have to install only for the Dura-ace 9250. I hope you see. Okay. We put to the second hole from the lowest. These are the instructions. We put the dust seal.